This is the newest addition to the cottage. I've been waiting years to get it up here. It's my grandmother's cuckoo clock. It came from the Black Forest in Germany in the 50s, given to my grandmother by my uncle. She left it to me in 1995, and I just finally got around to getting it fixed. Picked it up in Cork yesterday. Very proud of it. Beautiful antique. It's hanging in our conservatory where I spend most of my time. Play my music in here. Lovely sound in here. Me and the granddaughter. A few pictures here from Mexico. Wanda. That's it.